Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cruising Culture. And once again, we're still working on the Corvair 95 LOADSIDE. However, today, it's all about improvements on this. So today, we're going to be improving it by putting some seat belts in it. That's right. So, depending on your state, which mine, however, it would be classified as grandfathered in, where I wouldn't have to do the seat belts. However, it's 2025. I'm going to do some safety wherever I can. It's a flat face truck. Let's give it some kind of safety, So, as you can see, I'm doing 3 of them. So one thing Corvair was happy about and proud about, which is they could put 3 grown adults in the front bench seat. That's right. Better than V-Dub, better than Ford Econoline, because obviously the Econoline, the motor was boom right there. Nope. Not in the Corvair. We can put 3 fun dudes in here. Let's pal around, So yes, we're going to put 3 belts in here because it's party mode. So there's not really good points to put the seatbelt anchor wanker things in there. So what we're going to do today is I'm just going to bolt them down where the seat bolts down. I'm struggling to find one bolt point. So I think I'm just going to use the bolt pin that's on the side that hooks the top and bottom of the seat together. I mean, it's bolted. Come hell or high water. I mean, if the seat comes out, hopefully not. So, I don't know if you guys are ready or not, but I say let's get started. Let's go ahead and bolt them in. They're gonna look so good. Oh, yeah, let's hit that up. Got these from Retro Belt. Retro Belt. Kapow. Radical, right? So I went with the powder baby blue or whatever. Powder blue, baby powder blue. I don't know. Only because they didn't have hot pink or purple. If they would have had hot pink, you bet your farm tails this would have been hot pink in these here. Right here. But Retro Belt, hot pink it up. All right, I'm done. Let's get started. Here we go. Whee! Okay, all right. Oh, here it is. Acting like it's hard. It's not. So I guess I'm gonna start. Might as well start by unbolting where I said I was. And that is the seat frame. So let's do that. And this will definitely make my wife happy, putting seat belts in here. Now there won't be no problem with the daughter riding around. Safety. Oh boy, you are just a rascal, aren't you? Fight it. And so I've only got like 2 spots where the seat is like bolted down, obviously. But there's like 2 threaded holes like right here in the middle. And I'm gonna try one of these. They look like they're the same size, so how fun. Of course they are. Why wouldn't they be? So, okay. Way to go, Chevy. I'm gonna use your hole. Nope. Nope. All right. One side out. Okay. Guess I might as well unbolt the other side. Second verse same as the first, except for on the opposite side. And back. Easy. Easy. Alrighty. Yeah, you're obnoxious. Might help if I went the right way, maybe. Oh, what do you know? For some reason, it is easier to take them out if you go in the right direction. Who would have thought? This is gonna be fun. All right. Guess I might as well start over here. Seeing as how we're here. Oh god, how does that side go? This way. Boom. Okay. Yep. So that would be you. Hi-ya. Well, that lines up pretty well. Alright, looks like I may have went a little hard on taking the bolts out. Probably didn't need to take them all out. It's fine. We're learning. We're learning. Yeah. Alrighty. Oh, is it right way? Be funny. Bolt that in upside down, inside out. Yeah. Huh. There, see? Hey, don't think I needed to take that many bolts out. That's fine. So now this is the one that I think I'm gonna have to do the side bolts. I know. Yeah. You know what would have been smart is to leave that off so I could have lifted it. That would have been smart, wouldn't it? Damn it. That's alright. It's alright, we're doing this the hard way. So I guess if I was smart, I could have left those two bolts out and I could have just lifted this seat up instead of fighting it so hard. That's fine. It's fine. I enjoy the challenge. Whoa, easy there. That is right. Okie dokie. Now, for the fun part. Let the fun begin. Oh, goodness gracious. You're gonna be ornery. You're gonna be stew barn. So, hoping I can tighten this down where whenever I keep flipping the seat forward, it's not going to make my buckle or anchor or whatever. I don't want it to gouge my paint because, you know, SEMA baby. It's not. Cool. There's one side. So, perfect. Other side, tally ho! Oh, steel check to the face. Nailed it. Alrighty. Flashlight. Okay. Cool. Woo! Hot hands, hot hands. Sorry, there's a Leafs game on. Not gonna lie. Maple Leafs, go Leafs, go! Go Leafs, go! Right? Right? Probably not. My goodness. Sure is awful muggy for the month of March. Oh, wrong way, roars. I like the rules that you do kind of get on whenever you do get your cars like grandfathered in or whatnot, what have you, whenever you're in, whatever state you're in or whatever car you got. I do like the rules to an extent. I will say, and it's just me and I'm just a heat and air guy who plays Tinker Toys and stuff. I think they could be left, you know, all right, grandfathered in, you don't have to put seatbelts in. If you still got a flathead motor or a H6 motor, you know, but if you spice them up and put 350s or LS swaps or what have you, that to me is where you kind of got out of the grandfathered in era. And that to me is where you better put seatbelts in. And you better do the safety that you can because you've obviously spiced it up quite a bit and you know it. But that's just me. And I didn't spice this up, but if there's a safety precaution that I can take, I mean, I guess I might as well take it. And who knows? There might be some pink ones coming out on the market. Everybody watch out for them. Woo! See how it does this. American Power Team! Yeah. Wow, it's muggy. See, now everybody knows that it's not a wig. Whatever, it is a wig. I don't care. Oh, I got that tight, didn't I? Nice and tight. Oh, excuse me, sir. I'm just looking for a place to get bolted in, you know. Oh, yeah. Cowabunga, dude. Get in there. Got it. Sweet Caroline. What a fun little project. This is fun. Gosh, a little muggy. Little muggy. Give me my wrench. Sweet. Man, these are gonna look great. Or groovy. They're gonna look groovy. Sorry, not doing so good. Walla walla bing bang everywhere. Third and final party belt going in. Okay, how would the middle go? There we go. I guess it's up to me. What do I want to do? Guess I'll do it that way. Passenger belt goes that way, and so will the other party passenger. Drinkers buckle on the left. Unless you're my daughter. Avalanche! I'm trying to snug you up. Oh, does it fit? Yes, sir! These have got to be the points for it. I mean, I don't see what else it could be for. Now they're tapped. Safety! Safety! Back up there. Get back up there. All right. Yeah! Power team! Ka-chow. Couldn't be happier with that, huh? Boom shakalaka! Wow, it's a little muggy. Little muggy. I'm sure I've said that enough. Nice, nice. Give me that. Let's do this. Boom! Look at that safety. Oh, minus the fat guy. Whee! Look at that safety right there. Good chow. Retro belt. Hook it up. Some bright pink. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Well, there you have it. We've met in, well, this really wasn't a requirement, but I had it down on my board to put it in, so one more thing I can cross off the list. Happy with that. Perfect. That's funny. So yeah, I'm super happy with that, and I'm also super happy for you guys tuning in. I appreciate you guys. You know, we're just doing this for fun, and you know, it's just learning. So if you have anything to say, comment, or whatever, please feel free to comment down below. Other than that, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Who knows what it'll be.